Good afternoon guys and welcome back to another channel. Another video rather. Today is Sunday and we're here at my dad's house. With me of course is Natalia and mommy and also ate.
Jessa.
Alright, so what have you guys been doing?
We're waiting for our food. We ordered lots of food.
What did you order?
We ordered cordon bleu, chicken wings, milkshakes, lemonade.
Wow.
I'm gonna eat all of the cordon bleu. It's my favorite.
Wow, did you order it with rice?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So yan, nandito lang kami. It's a Sunday. Hindi pa. So nagsuswimming lang. We decided to go here to swim. Right?
We should go here every day to swim.
Because it's summer. It's already very hot.
Can you swim with me right now?
Yeah.
I thought you want to wait for your food.
Oh yeah.
Are you gonna eat food yet? Still?
Yeah.
Because you haven't eaten lunch yet.
I'm trying to shoot this vlog without
Kati, are you still not ready?
the Rocksteady. So tingnan natin kung smooth pa rin siya. I'm shooting this at 2.7K resolution at 60 frames per second. Pakita ko sa inyo yung pool, yung area. So this is the clubhouse of the compound. This is actually a compound. So makita nyo guys, paikot lang yan. Paikot lang siya around hanggang sa likod yan. So dito merong basketball court. There's a basketball court. Pwede rin siya maging badminton court. Lalagyan lang ng net. Yan. Very functional. And then this area naman, pwedeng mag-hold ng small parties. Ayan. So, pwede mag-set up dito. Merong small kitchen. May dalawang CR for men. And ito, for ladies. Yan. Tapos sa taas, dito may stairs going up. Meron pang isa pang space dyan before it was may nakalagay na billiard table. Yan. And then dito yung pool. The pool is not that big. So enough na siya for a few people.
Parang bago yung pool.
Ha?
Ganito na ba talaga yung pool?
Ganito na. This was renovated last.
The time when you were still here?
We were still here, yes. Kasi dito kami nakatira before, guys. We just moved out last year. No. Was it last year? Or 2 years ago. So, before dito kami nakatira. And then we moved out 2 years ago. Then, so this is the pool area. Here we have a small playground. So, there's a seesaw. There's a swing.
Don't touch that.
A slide.
A lot of red ants.
Which one? Oh yeah, there are.
Look, you wanna see the fight?
Yeah. Wait.
Look at the war.
Oh yeah.
Look, there's a war.
Oh yes. They're playing tag of war, I think. Okay. Medyo these ants really bite very hard, so be careful, okay? Basically, we're gonna be here until tonight. Samahan nyo lang kami to hang out. Okay? It's gonna be a chill Sunday today. So the food arrived
From Holy Ribs.
from
Holy Ribs.
Holy Ribs.
But no ribs today.
Walang ribs. Ano lang siya? Wow! Cordon bleu and
Pesto pasta.
tuna pesto pasta.
Ang dami namang tape. Kaya mo bubukas.
Tapos umorder kayo ng drinks. This one. Ano yung chicken wings?
I was craving for chicken wings. I was supposed to order just drinks, but then I saw their wings. I wanted to have it again.
Chicken wings from not ours chicken wings. Pero masarap din to, guys. This is buffalo from Sweet Cafe. Hello, Ate Gina. Mag-hi ka naman sa vlog natin.
Hello,
Kati. Ano yan? Ano yung kinuha mo? Mangga. Para kang nagbakasyon, Jessa, di ba? Siguro bored na bored ka na sa bahay, no? Bored na bored ka na sa bahay.
Boring na siya. Gina, drink mo.
Kumain na kayo? Kain kayo. Swimming ba kayo?
Hindi daw.
Hindi. Ikaw, Kati, hindi ka magsiswimming?
Kala mo si Lola.
Oh, bisitahin niyo dyan si Lola. Sakto habang nakaupo pa dyan sa baba kasi mamaya iaakyat na ni Jaime. So, puntahan nyo na ngayon doon habang nandyan pa sa baba.
Mawa na kayo dyan.
What's this drink?
It's my strawberry lemonade.
Wow, from Sweet Cafe.
Where's
again.
where's mine?
Wow, Navy Big Subo. How about si ate? Ate Subo. Yan. We just had our merienda and let's go and swim. Take a dip. Ayan na sila, guys, nag-e-enjoy.
Favorite ko yung yung white chocolate.
Kati, ba't ka nagtatakip ng mukha? Ayaw mo sumikat?
Babe, ano na sila? Ilang oras na yung break nila,
Oh,
Oh, naka-out na kami. Ay,
naka-out
naka-out na ba
na.
kayo? Okay, out na
Ano masasabi mo, Tigina?
Okay lang.
Dapat
Okay na to.
Kanina na kami, sige, mag-out na yan.
How about you, Natalia? What are you doing?
Umaga kasi.
Putting on my mermaid tail.
Putting on your mermaid tail. Ang sarap naman ng higa mo dyan, Lee.
Yeah. The water is cool and nice.
Malamig. Ano
So
yan, hawak mo?
refreshing. Shark.
Kala ko parang filter. Oh my gosh.
You said that can go underwater.
Yeah, it can.
Then
Want to
show me.
try it?
Nakakatawa yung yung itong sa babita
Wait,
ni Papa.
later.
Pag hinihigaan ko siya, lumalabas yung niya.
Yung hangin.
Yung hangin, naririnig ko eh.
May butas. Kayo, ayaw niyo mag-swimming?
Swimming ka daw.
Swimming na kaya kayo? Ba't di kayo nagdala?
Swimming, Ate Gina. Dali, hawakan ko.
Sayang.
Papa, can you help? Papa, can you help me?
Di tell ate to ano.
Dali, alayan ka namin.
Ate Kati to help you. Try natin. Oh! Ay, medyo warm yung water, no?
Oo, sakto lang talaga siya.
Oh! Sarap.
Kasi kanina mo siguro una mo sinuot.
Hindi, dapat ito. Susuot yan. Suot mo muna ito.
Oh, sarap, sarap, sarap. It's been a while since we last swam here. Hindi ko pa natatry yung underwater video shots nito.
Ay, hindi.
Check natin if... Ah, shucks, nakalimutan ko yung goggles ko. Wow, Natie's going to be a mermaid again.
Oh, you wear na your feet.
Tapon na kita dun. Naalala mo itong tinapon mo to dyan sinit?
Oo. Totoo naman siya namang di ba?
Umiyak sinit nun eh. Umiyak talaga siya. Kay baby pa man siya nun.
Kawawa naman. Mommy always bullies you pala. When you were still a baby. Kamusta yung tubig pa?
Maligam-gam.
Maligam-gam lang, no?
Tama lang.
Yun nga yung kagandahan about this pool eh. Hindi masyadong malamig yung
Oo.
tubig.
Hindi. Dahil na ano eh, naaaraw.
Naarawan, direct. Direct,
Tama lang. Pangit naman yung mainit.
tsaka malinis, no? Very well maintained.
Hindi. Lumubog ako sobra. Lumubog ako sobra, nakainom ako.
Nakainom si Papa ng tubig.
Ang babaw pa lang ito.
Kailangan di ka masyado lulubog. Sarap ng tubig dito, guys. Sobrang warm talaga. Maligam-gam lang siya. Pwedeng magbabad. Kung magbababad kayo. Like, it's super safe for kids as well. Hindi sisipunin after. I'm so loving this camera. So what I'm using is an Action 5, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. We've been testing this since our Hong Kong vlogs. Sobrang ganda, sobrang linaw niya underwater. I'm gonna be putting some shots for you guys to see.
No.
Itong dalawang to. Oh my gosh, what are you guys doing with me?
We're fighting over you.
You guys are fighting over me? Oh. Aray, ay, ay. 1, 2, 3. We're done swimming. We're now going back to the house to change. I don't know if we're gonna have dinner here or what. So we'll see.